Let's understand the long I sound or long sound of vowel I. First is magic E or silent E. So when E comes at the end of a CVC word, E will remain silent, but vowel will give its long sound. So kit and kite, hid, hide. Second digraph IE. So as we all know, I will never come at the end of a word, and IE comes at the end of a word and it will give a long I sound, as in pie, tie. Last one, IGH word. Sometimes IGH gives a long I sound, as in night, might, tight, fight, and so many. There is no particular rules where to write IE and where to write IGH.